Hello, you are welcome. How to solve for x and y in this nice systems of algebra equation. From here, let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Then from here, let's represent x as a square, and therefore here square root of x will be equals to square root of a square, and which imply root x now will then be equals to square cancel square root here, so root x will be here. Then also let's represent y as b square, and such that root y will then be equals to root b square, and also root y will now be equals to b. So from what we have here, equation 1 can now be written as root x, which is a, plus y, which is b square. So we can now say equation 1 becomes a plus b square now equals to 7. Let this be equation 3. And also equation 2 also becomes x plus root y, and x now is a square plus root y, which is b. So we have a square plus b now equals to 11, and let this be equation 4. And from here, from equation 3 here, let's take b squared to this side. So from equation 3, we have a now will be equals to 7 minus b squared, and let this be equation 5. Then next step, let's substitute equation 5 in equation 4, so that equation 4 will now becomes what we have in equation 4 here will become a square now will be 7 minus b square, which is all square now, that's a square, then plus b will now be equals to 11 on this side. Then from here, we can expand this following a minus b all square, which give us a square plus b square minus 2ab. So when we expand this like that, this gives us 7 square, then plus b square, then minus 2 times 7 times b square. Then we have this plus b now equals to 11. Then from here, 7 square 7 times 7 there give us 49. Then plus this power multiplies give us b raised to power 4. Then here we have minus 2 times 7 here, that's 14 b square now. Then plus b now equals to 11. Then let's rearrange and bring 11 to this side. So we have b raised to power 4 minus 14b square, then plus b. Then here, this becomes minus 11, that's 49 minus 11. That gives us plus 38, then equals to 0 on this side. Then here, we have minus 14 here, minus 14 b square, we can write that as, so this becomes b raised to power 4, then minus, this becomes 4b square, then minus 10b square. So let's write minus 14b square as minus 4b square minus 10b square, And also here plus b, let's write it as plus 20b, then minus 19b, as 20 minus 19 will be 1, then plus 38, now equals to 0 on this side. Then from what we have here, from this 2 here to 10 here, when we group it to 2, on this first 2, b square is common. Then what will be left here, we have b square, then minus 4 left. Then what is common between these two terms, we have minus 10b. Then b will be left here, then minus 2 left here. Then also from this side we have minus 19 common. Then b will be left here, also minus 2 left here, equals to 0. Then from here, b square minus 4, we can write b square minus 4 as b square minus 2 square, and this follows from difference of two squares, and this can be written as b plus 2 multiplied by b minus 2. Then we can replace b square minus 4 here now as this, then this becomes b square into bracket b plus 2, then times b minus 2, then close bracket minus 10b, then open bracket b minus 2, close bracket, then minus 19 into bracket b minus 2, then equals to 0. Then from here, we have b minus 2 common here. When we take it out, this becomes b minus 2, then into bracket. What is left here, we have b square into b plus 2. Then what is left here, we have minus 10b. Then what is left here, we have minus 19, which is equals to 0 on this side. Then here, we can write it again as b minus 2, then into bracket. This open bracket here, we have b raised to power 3 plus 2b square, then minus 10b minus 19, close bracket, then equals to 0. Then from here, we have two cases. Is either b minus 2 equals to 0, or we have b cubed plus 2b square minus 10b minus 19 equals to 0. And on this side, we have b equals to 2 now. Then from here, there won't be a resolution, so no resolution on this side. Then from here, we recall that from equation 5, we have a equals to 7 minus b squared. Now here, since this is the value of b here, we can substitute that here to get the value of a. Then that means a here will be 7 minus 2 squared. That is a equals to 7 minus 4, where a is equals to 3. So we have a equals to 3 and b equals to 2, and we should recall to find x now. We said x from the beginning, x is represented as a square and y is represented as b square. So which implies from here that x will then be equals to a here is 3, that's 3 square. That means x from here is equals to 3 square is 3 times 3, and that's 9. And from here, y will then be equals to b square here, b is 2, that's 2 square. And here we have y equals to 2 square is 2 times 2, which is 4. So therefore, we have x equals to 9 and y equals to 4 in this given problem. So thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Share this video and give a thumbs up. See you next class and bye for now.